A very good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about nouns. आज हम nouns के बारे में सीखेंगे. Now let's see the pictures that are given on our screens. Let's start naming them one by one. The first picture that we see is a car. The second picture is a cat. The third picture is a fish. Fourth picture is a cow. Fifth picture is a ship. What is the sixth picture? Can you tell me? Yes, it is a horse. The seventh, apple. Eighth, bird. Ninth, pig. 10th, a dog. 11th, a flower. 12th, a bed. 13th, sun. 14th, a tree. 15th, ball. And 16th, a table. We see that all these things have a name. So all the words that we use as names are known as nouns. Now let's move on to the definition of noun. Noun refers to the names of persons, animals, places, things, ideas or events, etc. It means that all the things present in the world which have some names are nouns. So we can also call noun as naming words. So a noun can be the name of persons like Rishik, Dhairya, Prakriti. It can be the name of animals like tiger, dog, horse. It can also be the name of places like Eiffel Tower, India Gate, school. Also, it can be the name of things like key, biscuits, hammer. Also, name of ideas such as happiness, devotion, excitement. So, after learning about all these things, we have come to a conclusion that noun means the name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea. So after knowing this, now let's move on to the types of noun. So the first type of noun that we are going to study is proper noun. Now first let's move on to the definition of proper noun. A proper noun is a name which refers only to a single person, place or thing, and there is no common name for it. It means when there is a name which specifically belongs to a specific person, place or thing, then it is a proper noun. Such as Delhi, there is only one city known as Delhi. Pratik, it is the name of a particular person. Taj Mahal, it is the name of a particular monument. There is only one Taj Mahal as you can see in the picture. Fourth is Eiffel Tower. So, can you give me some more examples about proper nouns? Please leave it in comments. Okay, now let's move on. Yes, there is an interesting thing that I want to tell you, that in English a proper noun always begins with capital letter. All the proper nouns always begin with capital letters no matter where they are placed in a sentence. वो sentence में कहीं पर भी हों, but they will always start with a capital letter. Now let us move on. So now we are going to study about common noun. The definition says a common noun is a name for something which is common for many things, person or place. So not unlike the proper noun, common noun is a name for something which is common for many things. We will understand this by examples. City. There can be many cities. Okay, there is city is not a specific word, it is common word for many cities. That is why it is a common noun. Similarly, dog. Dog can be any dog on your street. It's not a particular name or a particular dog. Dogs can be any dog. Just like that, a country and girl. Girl can be any girl and a country can be any country. But if we say India, then it will be a proper noun. It will not be a common noun. So I hope you understand, and please tell me in the comments about the more examples or the common noun. Now moving on, abstract noun. Okay, can you see in the picture what the flower is doing? Yes, it is smiling, it is happy. So can we see happiness? No, we cannot. We cannot see our emotions also. So abstract noun says, an abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen but is there. It has no physical existence. Abstract noun हम उन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जिन्हें हम देख नहीं सकते. So it is used for something that cannot be seen, just like our happiness, our devotion. Devotion means, you all know what devotion means. Now let's see examples. Happiness, we cannot see happiness. Truth, we cannot see truth. Lies, sorrow and friendship, all these things we cannot see, but these all are nouns. Okay, we all now understand that abstract nouns are used for something that cannot be seen. Now what can you see in this picture? A table and a chair. It's so simple. So we are talking about concrete noun here. Concrete noun is exact opposite of the abstract noun. The concrete noun is exact opposite of abstract noun. So what have we learned in abstract noun? That the abstract noun words are used for the things which we cannot see, but the concrete noun is exact opposite. So it means that it refers to the things we see and have a physical existence. तो जैसे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन में होता है कि हम उन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जो कि हमें दिखाई नहीं देते, तो उसके ही ठीक उल्टा कंक्रीट नाउन क्या होता है, उन चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है जो कि हमें दिखाई देते हैं और जिनकी फ़िज़िकल एग्जिस्टेंस होती है. जस्ट लाइक दिस टेबल एंड चेयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, chair, table, bat, ball, water. We all can see all these things. That is why all these are known as concrete nouns. Now, what can you see on the screen? Numbers? Counting? Yes. So the next type of noun is countable noun. So as the name only justifies it, it says the nouns that can be counted and are countable are called countable nouns. Countable nouns can take an article a and the. इसका मतलब होता है कि कोई भी nouns जो होते हैं जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं उन्हें हम countable noun कहते हैं. countable nouns के साथ हम a, n और the का इस्तेमाल भी कर सकते हैं just because we can count them. For example, chair, table, bat, ball. We can count chairs. How many chairs? 1, 2, 3. 3 chairs, 4 chairs. We can count. We can count tables. We can count bat. We can count ball. But can we count water? No, we cannot. What we see in this picture, we see milk, a bottle of milk with a glass of milk. So, can we count milk? No, just like water, we cannot count milk. पानी की ही तरह दूध को भी हम गिन नहीं सकते. हम एक बोतल को ज़रूर गिन सकते हैं लेकिन दूध को या पानी को नहीं गिन सकते. We can count bottles, glasses, but not what is kept inside it. So here we are talking about non-countable nouns. It says the nouns that cannot be counted are known as non-countable nouns. जो भी nouns गिने नहीं जा सकते उन्हें non-countable noun कहा जाता है. इसके कुछ examples, for example, money, oil, sugar, salt. Now the first example is money. Many of us would say that we can count money, we count money daily, but the thing that we count is not money. We count rupee, dollars. Money is just an idea. It is something that has a value which can buy us something. But we cannot say 1 money, 2 money. We can say 1 rupee, 2 rupees. So money is not countable, while rupees, dollars, all these currencies are countable. So money comes under non-countable noun, while rupees or dollars come into countable nouns. Similarly, oil, we cannot count oil, sugar and salt. Now let's move on. What we can see in this picture, we can see trees, 4 trees. It is a group of trees. What we call a group of trees? A forest. Very good. So we are talking about here the nouns which are the name of group. So it is called collective nouns. Let's take a look at the definition. A collective noun is a word for a group of things, people or animals. So as I said, collective nouns क्या होते हैं? किसी भी चीज़, इंसान या जानवरों के ग्रुप के नाम को हम कहते हैं. For example, family is a group of people. Forest is a group of trees, as we have talked about it. 3. The class. It is a group of students. And the bunch, we can call a bunch of bananas. So there are many other words which we use as collective nouns. I would like to know there are more examples of collective nouns. So please tell me about the more examples. I will send the worksheet on Google Class. So keep looking at the Google Class. I will send the worksheet there. Okay, I hope you all understand about the noun and types of noun, and do complete the worksheet and send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.